What was the criteria for the House Act?
Somewhere in all of the shenanigans, I was in Nashville for a work trip. So I used to travel for work. And so I was in Nashville and I met up with Felipe Mejia. So he did the Real Estate Rookie podcast with Bigger Pockets, and a lot of people follow him on Instagram. But I think all of his rental properties now are single family homes with a walkout basement that he's converted into a duplex. And
Yeah.
I was just like fascinated by this idea because there is a very expensive town where we live that I've always wanted to be in. And it's like a few towns over from where our live and flip was. And there's a high cost of entry in this neighborhood. And people were like, you can't buy any rental properties there. And I'm like, not if you're looking at them for multifamily, not if you're shopping the MLS for multifamily. You're probably not going to find anything. But if I'm shopping for a single family home with a walkout basement, this
Yeah.
gives me some options.